Got a light breeze, so we'll just start. First cast for me, Charles has had one or two. I'm gonna let that worm sink. 16th ounce because it's not real deep here and I want it to just, if anything, I'm almost gonna try it two ways. I'm gonna try just crawling it like you would normal cold water conditions, but then I'm also gonna get it down there and maybe try jerking and twitching it almost like you would a soft jerk bait. Kind of two different ways, just see which way they want. And it may be both different ways on the same cat. I got a fish, Charles. First cast. Right. Charles, like, he didn't know if we were gonna catch any fish. First cast, Charles. Look at that sucker right there. Hello everybody, welcome to Bass and Bonsai. I'm finishing up a video, finishing up a banana. If you haven't watched the banana videos, go check them all. They're delicious. But we've got an unboxing to do. It's not a normal unboxing. Hang on. But Charles my God, that banana was big, Charles. Charles has me a, I guess could be early Christmas or birthday present, technically.
Yeah. That's the bad thing about having them that time of year.
Yeah, I know. Or he's called it combined. He's like the lid for your birthday, the... What do they even call these?
I'm not sure.
Cups? Anyway, on weekends, I hook up with big girls who swallow. Right? Got me to a T. Right, Charles?
Oh, yeah.
So anyway, and then it's got your fish on the back. Very cool. Thank you very much, Charles. I'm gonna put some Diet Coke in this right now before I even go home, and I'll be drinking out of it. My baby should rinse it out. Can I rinse it out in pit water? Oh yeah, it won't hurt you. It's crystal clear water, it'll be fine. So anyway, thanks again, Charles, for that. Comes with a straw too. And Olivia Mom does make these, and that's where Charles, if you remember right, Charles owed me this anyway. I gave him the only in existence Bass and Bonsai one.
Oh, I'm working on that too. I just haven't got it.
So they're supposed to be making me another one. They haven't done it yet. But anyway. Whew. Quick unboxing. Go back and check out this video. I don't even know, what am I going to call this? Winter jig, shaky head, fishing.
Winter Wonderland fishing.
Winter Wonderland, some kind of fishing, but check out the video we just did here. Good day on the water with bananas. Cold, as you can see, the sun is barely, it's there, but it's been cloudy all day. 46 degree air, 43 degree water temps. It's pretty cold. I don't really show it right now because I was freezing over there in the wind. We're out of the wind right now, so 45 degrees out of the wind feels kind of comfortable. Charles is still wrapping up.
Yeah.
All right, guys, hopefully you liked the unboxing. Stay tuned. Bass and Bonsai coming to a honey hole near you.
I can't remember which ones, but yeah, there is. There's like a couple rods that you're always calling on each other.
Fish. We are on a bite now. There's like 3 or 4 in a row on the same bait.
Oh, come on.
Purple haze on the feeling. You got hung?
Yeah.
Charles, you just killed our bite. We were catching these giant bass. Dude, I'm trying to keep my hands warm. Stop so I can get you and not be wet. That dude, if there was ever a jumper, it would be this dude. Let's try him. Well, Charles is hung. Let's try him. Oh, look at him. He got a hold of me. I'm barely holding that fish. Look at that dude. Look, he will not open his mouth. He's got lockjaw. Look. He's a feisty one. Yeah. Oh! Right in the wood. Charles, where are we? Uh-oh, I'm hung up. Charles is trying to break my rod. Oh boy, Charles, hang on. Charles bound determined to knock me out of the boat today. Jesus! Merry Christmas.
Yeah, that's a cup.
Jeez. All right.
It's a cup, but I'm gonna knock you out of the boat.
Yeah. They don't know about the cup yet, Charles. I ain't unboxed it.
Oh, okay.
Whew. Ooh, I thought I was going in that water, bones and all, Charles. We just went and watched a movie last night. It was the weirdest, craziest movie called Bones and All. I ain't gonna give you spoilers, but not a vampire movie.